Hello and welcome to the second training video. In this video we're going to be creating a laboratory order requisition on Power to Practice that it's going to be good for Quest laboratories only, not for LabCorp. So let's get started. So right here I'm on Power to Practice and I am trying to create a new patient. So this person just signed up. I am going to continue to create their account. I'm going to input everything that is needed, starting with the email, the phone number, and their address. Now we also need the date of birth here, so let's see. And don't forget we have to fill out the gender. That's very important for the lab order, so never forget the gender, male or female. And then we're going to create their account here. Put rewind99 as password, and we're good to go with him. So I'm gonna click save. Okay, so now I can find him here, and then I will go to his chart. Okay, so now I'm going to go to lab test right here in the lower left corner. So under lab order options or lab company, I'm going to select Quest Diagnostics Tampa, and that will open a window. I'm going to come here where it says order type. I'm going to choose PSC. I'm going to put anything for the expected date and time. It can be, for example, tomorrow at 8 a.m. The build type is always client here up in the next to order type, so it should read order type PSC, build type client, and then the date, and I'm going to hit next. And here I'm going to choose the tests that he's going to take. So normally we want to choose everything except 2 tests for males. So those 2 tests are going to be the COVID one, we're gonna leave out, and the progesterone. The rest, it should look like this: cardio CRP, cortisol AM, estradiol, IGF, prolactin, T3 free, TSH, CBC, DHA sulfate, FSH and LH, lipid panel, PSA, T4 free, vitamin B12, comprehensive metabolic panel, dihydrotestosterone, hemoglobin A1C, testosterone free and total, and vitamin D25OH. I'm going to come here and I'm going to hit on decreased libido and other fatigue for the diagnostic tests, and then I'm gonna hit validate order. So here the system is going to show us the lab order from Quest Diagnostics, and all I have to do right here now is to hit print and send. What this does is that it's going to send it to the documents part of the medical portal, but I don't actually have to print it. So once this window comes out, all I have to do is click cancel. And now that I did that, I'm just gonna finish ordering labs, and I know that it was successful because now it shows in here. All right, then I'm gonna go to the 3 little buttons right here in his chart. I'm gonna go to documents, and now I can see that the requisition has been inputted into the document section. I'm gonna click here under lab requisition. And now I have the PDF for this requisition that I can save into the desktop. For example, I'm gonna put his last name here, which is Matos. Matos G, lab order, the month, and I'm going to save it to my desktop. So once that is in my desktop, I can upload it to an email that I'm going to send to this new client, letting them know that the lab order or requisition is ready to go and that they're welcome now to go to the lab or to use the concierge service. So that's it for the training, and